Okay, welcome back. What we're doing now is we're going to inspect and remove the stainless steel filter from the Y strainer on this BR10. Okay, so very important that the body of the Y strainer itself doesn't wobble around too much. So you stabilise it by putting this spanner on the body here, and what we're going to do is then lift the left hand side up. We've had customer feedback that these can be hard to remove, I believe you. Once that's done, we can relax a bit and have a look at, again, we've got a gasket in there, and what we'll do is look at this guy, and pretty much the same as before. It's about a 1mm mesh filter, and I might poke my finger in there. There's a little bit of like wax on the end there and a couple of little bits of rubbish, and some fibres. Okay, that's good. Okay, can you see the fibre there? Okay, that's probably from, we get our oil here from My Mechanic, straight out of the sumps, and that fibre would be fibre that's come off the oil filters. So that's not that unusual. Okay, so what we do then is clean that flush out and reapply it. But I'd also normally just poke my finger in there and have a feel for any goo that's sitting at the wall, and just clean that out with my finger. And once I've done that, probably just poke a rag in there. Okay. And replace the element later. So that's pretty much it. Now both those filters, very important that they are cleaned periodically. How long is that period? It depends on the quality of your waste oil. Okay. I'm just going to tighten up that little stopcock on the bottom, and we'll assume we've cleaned that little Y strainer, and we'll put that back in. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty much that done. So they're the two main filters to clean in your BR10, 15 and 20 burners, everybody, when you get them. Okay, so very quickly now we're going to move back over to the workbench, and maybe once or twice a year it's important to remove the heat rod and clean it. So I'll just quickly go over to the bench here.